Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. All right, so I have decorated a neutral table for two, so come on with me guys. Okay, so today is Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. There is no guest today, it is freestyle, and I cannot wait to see you there. It's never too late to join, guys. So I've already decorated, as I said, my tablescape, and I kept it as simple and minimalistic as I could. And I'm absolutely loving it, guys. Look at this tablescape. I think it's so beautiful. Now let's start over here with the centerpiece. So these I got at Walmart, and they are eucalyptus. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous color? And so they're in a vase that I DIY'd with the bow. Isn't that pretty, guys? So very simple. I have my bird. I think that bird came from Dollar General. Then I have my two pumpkins here on my riser that I DIY'd. So the pumpkins came from the Dollar Tree, and the materials for the riser, these are to make this DIY, came from Dollar Tree as well. Now actually a lot of this came from Dollar Tree. So we have the two black taper candles and that taupe one. The candle holders, all of them came from the Dollar Tree. This candle here came from the plus section. Isn't that beautiful, guys? A beautiful centerpiece. Then we come on over here, and I love white. So I went with the white sunflowers. Then we have that beautiful little arrangement there on the side. And this is another one of the set. I made a set of 3 risers. So this is my longest one. So we have 2 black pumpkins. I'm not sure where I got those. That was probably Dollar General. Then we have some pine cones. Those were free. And my little Kirkland bird right here. So that was what I set up in this corner here. Then we have, like I showed you here, this centerpiece. And of course, this centerpiece over here. So it's like 3 little, like 3 little settings here to fill up the table. Now, let me show you the place setting. So we have these utensils, and they came from Party City, guys, when they were open. Then we have this neutral napkin that I believe was gifted to me, and then these napkin rings right here, I believe those came from Kirkland's, guys. Those were on sale. Okay, now these plates right here, Better Homes, I think these were thrifted, but I think originally they come from Walmart. Isn't that a beautiful set? So you know I had to grab those. So, and here's a dinner plate, okay? All right. Now, the Dollar Tree was carrying these chargers. Aren't these beautiful, guys? They're distressed. They are perfect for this place setting. I try to go as minimalistic as I could with this place setting for Thanksgiving. Well, just in general. I'm just trying to go light for the holiday and very neutral. So this mesh placemat came from Hobby Lobby, and then this placemat right here, you can get this at the Dollar Tree, guys. Isn't that beautiful? So then I decided to go ahead and layer this. Okay, I layered that. All right, and then here comes the charger. I love how this looks, guys. The more I play with it, the more I love it. It's just so casual, okay? And place this back here. All right, so, and then I decided to go ahead and place that napkin like that. And to me, it has like a casual look. I love that look. And so here is this wine glass came from the Dollar Tree, and the water glass came from the thrift store, Goodwill. So this is what my place setting is looking like. I am in love with that eucalyptus, guys. Beautiful color. And so that is what my Tablescape today is looking like. I may keep it this way for Thanksgiving, not sure. Let's see which way we're gonna go with it. And yeah, let's take a closer look at these guys. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.